In this video, I am going to show you how to add your Facebook link on Instagram. So first of all, you have to open up your Facebook application. On your Facebook application's main interface, you have to tap on your profile icon that is present right above the story section. On your profile, you have to tap on the three dots that are present right besides the edit profile. Now from here, you have to scroll down towards the end and tap on copy profile link. By doing this, you will be able to easily copy your profile link. So now, you have to open up your Instagram application. On your Instagram application, you have to come to your profile. On your profile, you have to tap on edit profile that is present right below your bio. In edit profile, you have to tap on add links. Now from here, you have to tap on add external link. So simply paste the link that you copied from Facebook and tap on done, which is present at the top right corner of your screen. Once you do that, you will be able to easily add your Facebook link on your Instagram application. So everyone, that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.